and it shows this great tangle. I mean, that's trying to make sense of human life up till the present. It's just been impossible. It's just one gigantic mystery. How do you make sense of this confusion? People talk to each other. They're not getting deeper into it. They're not unraveling the tangle of what it is to be a human. So it's all just a big confusing mess. And so that's where we end up. Until we find understanding of the human condition, we end in this total mess of confusion and bewilderment about why we are the way we are. Ultimately, the ultimate knowledge we needed was to understand the human condition. When we can finally make sense of that, the whole tangle will unravel. So that's a very powerful metaphor of our state of ignorance, of not being able to understand ourselves, make sense of the dark side of ourselves, truthfully understand the psychosis within us, where all the pain and suffering and frustration is coming from.